retirement age to 61.
My lord,
Of what? 1 minute. The government employees age was increased from 60 to 61 in Telangana. So the High Court sat with the government and the government an application before your lordships and saying that the judicial officer in Telangana. But that was with the concurrence of the government. The High Court, the judicial officers, and the government was at dialogue because, and your lordship also agreed to it immediately.
I remember that order.
Although this commission had said that it's not going to recommend any increase in the retirement age,
It was because the government was willing to do it.
Now there seems to be some concern as far as the state government.
my lords, may I just take a minute to point out for this?
They have also increased it for their employees from 60 to 61.
In
Andhra. Question is whether that increase also must, the benefit of the increase must also be given to judicial officers. There are two reasons why it ideally should be. One, at the district judge cadre, we are now facing an extreme crunch. We don't get enough officers every year for recruitment across, your lordship knows that. Two, all the special courts that the different statutes mandate are all district judges. POCSO, CBI, politicians' courts, MPs, MLAs' courts are all manned by district judges. So it is something that will actually benefit the system if we increase the retirement age by a year.
There's no reason why the High Court should not take it up with the state.
So the High Court agrees with it. The question is whether the state will now agree with it. Your lordship.
My lords, we have no problem.
Whether the state requested us to send a recommendation.
My lords, if I may explain what has happened. The state had carried out an amendment and increased from 60 to 62. That was set aside by the Honorable High Court in light of my lord's judgment. My lords, therefore, now, as of now, the age is 60. If my lord, for the retirement of judicial officers. My lords, if my lords consider the application of the High Court may approach us and we will consider it in due course. My lords, it is a policy decision and a legislative amendment which must be carried out.
So the High Court
You are appealing for the High Court?
Yes.
But why did we set aside the decision of the government to increase it from 60 to
60 to 62.
That's for the civil service, not for the judicial officer.
No, my lords, no. For judicial officers, it was increased from 60 to 62. Vijay, an order dated 16/9/22. The Honorable High Court, relying on my lord's judgment in the 4th All India Judges case, says 62 due to hierarchy of courts. The retirement